Hi guys, Chris with Total Vise again. I want to show you the cat's meow. This is the Tranny boom. And this comes with, again, the adapter is a universal adapter that I showed you with the transfer case, okay? So this will fit on these trannies as well as transfer cases. This is a mobile transmission boom. In other words, it has wheels down here that after I set the tranny down or whatever, I can tilt it back. It has a handle here, as you can see, and I can tilt it back and move it anywhere in the building. So I just got this tranny out of the vehicle. This is a 6R80, and I've got it up here. Now, a couple of things I want to mention here. One, we have a drain pan with the rubber that allows you, if you want to tear this apart down with the boom, you can situate that so it catches transmission fluid or anything, and we have this an extra adapter. Now we have a couple of different adapters depending on the height that you would like to go. So basically what I'm going to do is bring this around, and I'm going to swing arm this, and again, you got to be, you know, you have to be sensible about how far. This thing has stops on it, but if you go yanking on it, it can pull it over, even though it's pretty stouty. So I'm going to bring this over here, and I'm going to set it on the bench. So again, if you want to tear this down on the bench, you can. But you saw that it was easy to get on the bench without any struggle at all. So once you get it on the bench, let's say you want to stand it up and take it apart on our pedestal. So basically you want to take your chain off your adapter here, okay? Once you take that chain off the adapter, just change your position here. I'm going to do it a little bit more over here. Okay, so that's out of the way. I'm going to raise this back up. Again, it's going to swing around. Position so it's straight. Drop it down. Look at that. Now, it would have took two men and a small horse to get that in here, but you can see it went right in very easily. And I have a locking lock down here to lock this from turning if I want, okay? So you just need to remember that. This thing is very useful. It can do, you can take your transfer case off the bench if you want. You just have to come up with different ways to do that. Once a transmission's built, again, undo your locking device. You built the tranny, it's done. Let's lift it up. Grab the shaft, bring it around. You got it. Take your chain, flip it in the back, hook it on the back, lift it up, bring your tranny jack, set it here, drop down. 1 minute. So you don't have to have anybody in the build room to help you, because this is, again, common sense is needed because these things are heavy today. All these trannies that we work on are very heavy, getting heavier and heavier because they're 8 speeds, 10 speeds. So we want to be able to, you know, utilize this tool in such a way that's beneficial and safe. So again, this is a tranny boom. If you have any questions, call us 406-830-5881. Call us, email us, let us know your thoughts. We'll be more than happy to start. We got some orders going, so please give us a call a little ahead of time so we can get them put together and sent out to you. But any questions at all, give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.